What's up mga kabowlers? So, another episode. Number is it now? Episode 7. So, last time, we got Donovan Mitchell, the Melo Ball, away, home, and LeBron James, home, and Giannis Antetokounmpo. So, yeah, hopefully we'll get something rare this time. Let's go! Another unboxing of NBA Ballers by Suru. Sponsored by Wifey. As always. Come on, Suru Toys. Give me one super rare. Or rare. It's okay. Whatever. Since last episode, we opened 6 balls, but we didn't get any rare. So, maybe this time. And let's go! Ooh! Oh, we got 3 packs! Meaning it's a rare! Yes!
$16 is worth it.
Yup!
Open na! I'm excited. Open.
Which one?
The
Okay. Woo! Let's go! Who will be pulling the shoes? Blue shoes. Who is this? Oh, it looks like Ja Morant of the Memphis Grizzlies. Oh yeah, it's Ja Morant. Yee-hee! Mark! We have the same now, rare. Ja Morant. Whew. Let's go!
There you go.
Yes! Another rare! Woo! So, it's not the rare. Yeah, I have 2 rare now. The first one is Jason Tatum. And now it's Ja Morant. Ja Morant. So, here we go. Ja Morant of the Memphis Grizzlies. See you on another episode. Oh, next episode. Bye.